Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? Okay, this is Cynthia Benitez. Okay, so what are we talking about today? This is about her new course, which is called Zero Buster. You can see this Zero Buster. Discover how Cynthia built an online business for free within 30 minutes. That's making her $100 daily. Okay, so this is a sales page. Okay, so you, in a nutshell, what's this all about? Zero Buster is all about um, print on demand. Okay, print on demand t-shirts. She's a internet marketer, affiliate marketer. She does this on her own, like she does like what I'm doing, reviewing videos, but on a side thing, she also does this selling t-shirts, print on demand t-shirts. That's what she has done, is as put together as a course. And don't get carried away by within 30 minutes within $100 daily. That should not be the aim of it. I mean, that's a sales page. That is how it will be. The idea is how any newbie or a beginner can start online, like if you want to make online without the least amount of investment. Okay, although she teaches about free ads, like free traffic to drive traffic to print on demand t-shirts, how to make sales. Of course, you have to go, if you want to scale it up, you have to go to paid ads. Okay, that's how it works. So but anyway, so that's the idea behind this. The entire concept is to make sure that newbies can't say that I don't have money, like I can't invest what I can do. Like, I mean, anybody want to do something without investment, right? You have time but no money. So that's where this kind of product works. You have to put more time in order to put together this print on demand product. It's simple. It's straight away I'll just go into the product to show you. This is a sales page. Go through on your own time. Let's jump on the product straight away. See this. This is Cynthia here, about her, and this is a welcome media walkthrough. So the method is, she explains here. It's the whole concept is about Teespring. Okay, that's the main concept. But she also says how to sell it on other places. So Teespring is a place where you just go design a t-shirt and put it. That's where she has made it easy, because this is something she is doing on her own. That's where I like it actually. Some disclaimer. Let's go straight to the result here. Yeah, see this result here. This is something she shows in this video. She shows her account where she's able to generate, like she started this year, because she's more into what I'm doing, like reviewing videos and software products, like, or reviewing products more. She also has started this this year, and she's been able to get results like selling t-shirts. Only t-shirts. We're talking about t-shirts and hoodies. Okay, so in this result, she shows inside her account how she is able to make money out of it. Okay, and this is where, like, she talks about the method. The concept is so simple. As soon as I say t-shirt, the people might think, how am I going to do designs? That's where the best part is. She has made it easy, very cool way. Of course, research and stuff. You can see the disclaimer basically talks about how not to use the logos of Adidas or Nike or any other kind of, not to get into trouble about that. And then research, that's most important topic, and the design. This is where the cool part is. She shows, if you're an Android user, if you're an iPhone user, she has an app. She introduced an app. I'm just hiding that alone. Okay, she shows an app where you no need to worry about designing. Okay, you just need to get a code. Also you can search and find it easily. Just enter the code on that app, and it gives you all cool designs. And then you just download that image, and you just go to Teespring and upload it. The way the Teespring, you can just go and check it out. Teespring is so simple. Any newbie or any beginner can start doing it, because you don't need to worry about delivery. You don't need to worry about what sizes and what kind of charges for the t-shirt, what kind of, it literally shows you the exact this is the price you have to sell, this is the price profit you have to make. But if you think the price is too much, you can reduce it. That's also she shows inside actually. So that's how simple is that. So design, it's like you don't need to even bother about it. She shows you just the code you need to enter. Might be heat healthy, stay healthy, or heat something. It's just a code you need to enter, and it gives you a bunch of design which you like it. Download it and go to Teespring and upload it. That's how she has put the way she explains is so simple. And this is something you're learning from somebody who's doing it. Okay, I'm not into well, I mean, t-shirts and all those stuffs, but the way she shows, it's really, we feel like we want to do it. That's how she has put together the course. Like a newbie cannot give an excuse that, how to make money online. This is one of the ways to make money online. Print on demand. Print on demand. Everybody does that. Many of them use this as a separate 6-figure, 7-figure business, like just t-shirt alone, just mugs alone. She talks about t-shirts alone, okay, but we can replicate the same concept on anything we think of. Right, nowadays the face mask is so famous. Nowadays, if you see just Teespring, it just show you going to just give you an idea of just inside the thing. Just give you an idea how what I'm talking about. As soon as you go, here we go. Okay, find something you love. Okay, so this is the place where, as I said, say the way face mask. I was thinking, that should be the trending one, right? Due to a pandemic and stuff, they love these designs. People come up with cool designs and then they put it. Okay, these things are like to the next level. Once you this, but now we are talking about this course here is all about t-shirts. How you can, what kind of t-shirts to choose from, and what design you put it. This is what we're talking about. Not like so complicated, so simple. Keep it simple, guys. Always people love the simplicity. Okay, that's how it is. Okay, so that's the idea behind it. Sorry, where did I put the course here? Oops, sorry guys, my camera is hiding my thingy. Okay, yeah. So this is the thing we're talking about, the design, where she shows a couple of apps where in the phone you can design. You just need to type in, it creates a design. You can download it direct to your phone. Just email it to your thing, and then you can upload it to the thing. And this 20 minutes video is exactly what she shows you. Exactly, see this simple idea of, she took a health niche for the demo video, how she's just writes a code from the phone, download it and upload it. It's literally, I think she video is 20 minutes, but the way she does it, it takes like 5-10 minutes. That's how simple it is. What she's trying to tell about this is no need to complicate, keep it simple. People love simplicity, and people love these kind of t-shirts and hoodies, and you can go from there and then go to the next level. Okay, what she does, she shows as a result on that result column, and she's able to generate income from that. The most important part of this is traffic. This is where I really appreciate that, along with partner Kong, who does the traffic section. She shows about how to drive traffic, also the Instagram course, also on Facebook how to create pages, and how to go. This is a video by other partner, the Kong, or the two persons behind this product. Okay, one is Cynthia, and then the other Kong. So he also is into this thing. So he explains how to drive traffic through Facebook. That's most important thing. So that's like that itself is a lot of videos, around 8 videos or so, I think. That's very important, because what's the point of putting t-shirts, everything, and then if you don't know how to drive traffic to your store, then it's going to be tough. So that's the most important thing. She starts with Teespring, but in the next section she talks about the other ways, like how about selling in Etsy, how about selling in Merch by Amazon, Gear Bubble. That's, I also have review on that product, Gear Bubble, one of the like 2 products, if you ask me, which is like within the America, like drop shipping. This Teespring is also within the US. Okay, they do the Teespring does the printing and delivery within the US. Like it just, I mean, of course, international deliveries are there, but we are talking about US. It's so fast delivery within like 2-3 days. I know, but for international it's a little more. But I'm saying the concept is these two are very, very famous, Gear Bubble and Merch Amazon. That's like to the next level. But what she's trying to say is you can start with Teespring designs and then try to publish it in these places. That's the idea behind it. Of course, Etsy is most famous one for unique designs, and then the result she shows exactly inside her account how much she's earned it. That's what I like it, because it's good to learn from somebody who's doing it, right? So that's something good. And then conclusion. Okay, so all this, of course, some bonuses and stuff. How much are you getting this for? $9.95. That's the price, I suppose. Yeah, $9.95. Am I right? Yeah. So front end is $9.95. What you saw now, like, it's literally the way she has put together is a newbie cannot give an excuse that how to make money online without spending a dime. Okay, so it's like literally you need to spend time. Of course, when you're trying to promote it organically, it will take time to get sales, and it will take some time, that's for sure. Of course, once you get rolling, then once you get some money rolling, then you can spend that money on the Facebook ads, okay, paid ads and stuff. That's something you can always think of, because it will take time, organically take time. That's where she's trying to say that you can try and go into putting the same designs on Merch by Amazon, because Amazon gets you free traffic more, and Gearbubble and Etsy, all other platforms. It might, for displaying, I think it is like most in Teespring it's free, but in some places they charge you a little bit. But I'm sure only once a sale has happened, they're going to take some amount from that commission or so something. So you're on a safer side. I mean, you will not be spending anything much other than a little bit in order to promote any products, on these kind of platforms. So that's the front end. Then OTO 1 is zero busted traffic, some extra paid traffic. On the front end, it's all free traffic she teaches about. So on the OTO 1, if you want, you can get that paid traffic training as well. Remember, this Cynthia is behind, like, this is her 4th or 5th product, I think, and she's like, I've seen her grow, like, from like how she's same like me, but she started creating products to, and selling as well. So that's how she has grown up to the next level. Like, it's gone like $10,000 per month, and it's like just growing. That's how she's been growing really good. And I'm sure whatever the product she teaches, she does that. That's the cool part. Many people, like, they just teach but they don't practice, right? Like, the product which they promote, they might not be using it. That's where the difference is. So she always, most of the product I've seen, she uses that. I mean, like, she like this product, she has been implementing herself, and then she has created as a product, as a course and selling. So that's something good to learn from somebody who has been using it. And then OTO 2 is done for designs. Well, $47. Okay, you know what? I can give you some better. Let me show you the bonuses. I have a very good collection of bonuses. Although I'm into, like, Shopify and Amazon selling, but I'm not into print on demand. But I have a good collection of t-shirt designs, as well as I'll show you that. I'm sure I can give you a OTO 2 killer. Okay, you can really avoid this OTO 2. I can give you a better collection of designs and stuff specifically for t-shirts that will help you start that, kickstart that. People who think what to do for design, don't worry, I have a very good collection of that. So OTO 2, and I'm sure I can give you better than this. And OTO 3 is license rights, resale rights. Okay, let me show you that. I can't wait to show you that, what I have, like, because the reason is I promote regularly reviewing products. I collect lots of bonuses, and I buy lots of products. When I buy products, I get lots of bonuses as well. So let me show you what I have. Okay, this is one of the product from one of my mentor. Actually, this is a cool collection of designs. You will not, like, literally, you'll be happy. I mean, you'll be happy to use these designs. Series over 4,000 high quality t-shirt designs from the most profitable and evergreen niche, 600 ad banners, 6,000 premium font types, different popular print on demand courses, Facebook targeting and unique targeting ideas, 85. It's like, this itself was a big course. Actually, I got it as a thing. So I can give you this. This is good enough for your kickstarting your journey. I'm sure what she teaches you inside the course is the best way to kickstart. And then you want looking for more designs, this is where it is. You just literally download it, upload it into the Teespring, and it's there. Your store has, like, when somebody visits, they should have a more good choices to, if they don't like this, they can like something else. That's how you can use this one. And then I have other t-shirt templates. Actually, this is also I got as a collection. I keep it, actually it's been sleeping on my desktop, which I don't use since I'm not into print on demand. But I thought this could be a best way to give it to you guys. If you buy it through my link, I totally appreciate. For the $9, whatever you learn is really worth, and I'm sure this is going to make it more worth buying it from the link. Okay, see this, almost 1,000 designs, like different niches. All these almost 1,000, 1,200. I can give you this as well. And the other best one, this is what I like as well. Etsy Empire. If you see, Etsy is the place, one of the places where unique designs really sell. One of the places you can display your t-shirts and stuff. So this Etsy Empire, a PDF file actually, which will help you to go through like, how to set it up and all those stuff on Etsy Empire. So that's something I'm going to add it as well. And then what else I want to show you? Yeah, this is one. This is sitting on my drive. Literally sitting on my drive. This is going to help you as well. This is you can see this T-shirt Profit Empire. This is one of the collection as well. You can see this all these bonuses for T-shirts for women, T-shirts for men, T-shirt bonus when access. Oh my God! Literally, it's like, guys, it is sitting on my PC. Why should I really? I will just give it to you guys. Okay. So it's so much. It's there. It's like everything given to you now. It's a matter of you putting effort. Okay. Anything, guys. Whether you buy this course or not, tomorrow you buy another course or not, if you buy it, stick to it. If you like, if you think this is where, like, if you really want to go into print on demand, stick to it for 6 months, 1 year. I'm sure you will see results. But if you're buying the course and if you're not doing anything, don't expect anything to happen. It's all about putting effort. It's like consistent, or you can say persistent. I can say the correct word. Unless you put whatever it is, there are like literally like tons of videos online, YouTube videos. You can go literally search that videos and you can learn as well. I'm not telling only by buying this course you're going to make money. No, you can also go YouTube, search it, go through each and everything, how to set it up, how to do design. You can always do that. I'm not saying you can't do that. It's like YouTube is a world of full of knowledge videos. You can do it. That's how, if you can't afford even $9, please go and do that. I'm not telling it, like, there's no excuse that you can't make money online. Either way, no, whether you buy this course or not, you can make money. It's all about free. If you go and search, sit and search on YouTube and learn, that's possible as well. I'm not telling it's not, but it is possible. This is basically, she's teaching you the ways to set it up, an app, how to download these designs, put it. It's like it's given to you. This is what it is, and I'm just adding some bonuses to it. It's like, as I said, even though you have everything, like if you don't like spend time, I don't know what to say, guys. Literally what she tells in the video, basically she said, people want to make money online, but they don't put that effort. People who buy, like, 100 people, if they buy 90 or 95 people, they don't do anything. Only 5 people do, takes some action. So don't be that 90% people, be that, those 5 people or the 10 people who take action. That's how you're going to make money. Okay, that's simple as that. That's what makes the difference between people who are, don't do anything and people who are successful. Anyway, that's all these cool bonuses I can add, guys, as part of the, I really didn't do the bonus page as yet. So I just wanted to show you. So at least I showed you that I will add these to my drive, and then I will give you the link to download so that you can get it inside the when you purchase the product, you will be able to get downloaded. Okay, so that's if in case anything missing, just drop me a comment below. I will send it to you. Okay, so that's OTO 2 killer. I would say a very good killer for you, bonus for you. Like, I'm sure out of all this, I think front end and OTO 1 was good enough, because you want to learn some paid traffic as well. I'm sure you have to spend some money down the line, so paid traffic is always good. So it's up to you, 1 and 2. If not, 1 is good enough, you can learn it, and then you can always go to the next one if you can't afford it. Okay, so I'm sure I'm going to give you this one, OTO 2 part, and then OTO 3, it's licensed, right? If you really want to buy this product and sell it, that's your wish. And some coaching from her. She's really a girl who's like genuine, and she's like does what, like, straight to the point, no BS. That's what I would say, Cynthia Benitez. Anyway, that's oh my god, I forgot the product name. Zero Buster. Zero Buster. If you like it, click the link below and get it. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. Like, a way to kickstart your online journey through print on demand. That's what I would say. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.